What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so well. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Alexis. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell notification so you can be notified each and every time that I post, because I post at least twice a week and you never want to miss a new video that I come out with. But as you can tell by the title of this video today, I am doing the iPhoneXR review. I am thrilled to finally do this review because I purchased the phone a few days ago and I'm so excited to get a new phone because I had the iPhone 6s and it was so outdated. So I was super excited to get a new phone and test out the vlogging capabilities on it as compared to the iPhone 6s as well as the Canon G7x Mark II. Now, when I first started my YouTube channel, I did vlog with both my iPhone 6s and also my Sony PowerShot, but over time I started vlogging with my Canon G7x Mark II. But when I was out and about, I didn't bring the camera all the time and I did vlog with my iPhone 6s, and I noticed that the quality just kept getting worse and worse. So I finally buckled down and treated myself to a new iPhone, and I kind of wanted to test out the vlogging capabilities both on the front-facing camera and also the rear-facing camera. So first and foremost, I got the white iPhone XR in 128 gigabytes, and basically the only thing that came with it was earphones, the butt of the charger and the charger cord. And then I also got an OtterBox Defender case. Since it's a very new phone, it doesn't have many cute cases out, and I trust Otter so much. So I decided to get this rugged protection because I cannot afford to drop this phone and the screen shatters because it's made out of all glass and I would probably just cry if I messed up this phone. So I got this because I know if I drop it, it will be in perfect condition still. But basically with this video, I just want to kind of compare what I've seen so far between the iPhone 6s camera qualities as compared to the iPhone XR and the Canon G7x Mark II, because a lot of my videos on my channel I have recorded with the Canon G7x Mark II and I absolutely love it. But if you can afford to get a new phone, especially with upgrades, I feel like this is maybe the cheaper route to go, especially when you're doing YouTube videos and you want to vlog, but you can't necessarily afford to like give all your money to buy some camera. You can just pay like the little monthly stipends that I feel like a lot of carriers do now, or you can just pay it in whole. But overall, I feel like the phone is a way better investment right now if you're starting off with YouTube or if you're just continuing YouTube like I am. So far, let me do a little quick comparison between the 6s and the XR. Off the bat, it's so much more clear. The Retina display as well as the screen is larger. The photo and video capabilities are amazing. I am recording on the front-facing camera in the settings 1080p 60 FPS, and also goes to the 4K quality, 4K 60 FPS. The front-facing camera is light years away from the 6s, and the back-facing camera is phenomenal. Throughout the day, I did vlog a little bit of my errands. I went to a smoothie shop, I went to the grocery store, and I went to dinner. And I want to kind of show you guys the lighting setup just so you can see whether or not you think that this would be a good replacement for a vlog camera. So first and foremost, I went to the smoothie place, and it was a lot of exposure in the shop because they have a lot of big bay windows, so it was a lot of sunlight coming in, but the phone gravitated so well to the light and it didn't make it overexposed like I feel like a lot of phones or a lot of cameras do. So after that, I did go to the grocery store, and if anyone knows, the grocery store is filled with fluorescent lights. The camera really picked up on the details of all of the items that I purchased, and it just lit everything up so well. And then I went to dinner that night to a sushi restaurant, and it was very, very dim because they kind of have like this dim atmosphere in the evening, but it picked up on all the colors and it is great in low light. It didn't seem so staticky and grainy. It was just very clear, and I really, really love the camera on it. You can see all of the details kind of on my face, and you can see my freckles as well, which I like, because I feel like a lot of cameras, they just like kind of blur out your face, but I feel like you can still see some of the details in the aspect of my face and my clothing and my jewelry. So far, so good. So basically, like I said, the differences that I've seen so far is the Face ID, where the settings and stuff are located. It doesn't have an earphone jack, larger screen, the audio capabilities are amazing, as well as the camera and video qualities on this phone. And there's also no home button because you have the face identification, which I actually like. I feel like it's a great way to have additional security on your phone. What I really like about this phone is the battery quality. I have the phone for maybe 3 or 4 days, and I've only had to charge it up twice, with the first time being a full charge and the second one being a partial charge. And that's saying a lot because I stream a lot of videos and watch a lot of YouTube. I do a lot of work in editing pictures on my phone, and it just retains such a great battery life. And I think that's so beneficial to have, especially in the social media era that we're in. We're constantly on our phones, and it's so nice to have a phone that sustains its battery quality throughout the day. Another thing that I like about this phone is the camera and video aspects of it. It goes from a 720p all the way up to a 4K quality video. So like I said, I'm recording on the front facing camera in the 1080p, and I think that it has a really good quality. It's a really good picture and it's very clear, and I took photos on it as well, and the pictures are dynamite. So I am obsessed with this phone thus far. As well as the Face ID, like I said, the larger screen, the Retina display, it has amazing audio quality on this phone. I thought that I might have to get like a little microphone to put on it, but honestly, the audio sounds phenomenal on this phone. And this phone is amazing in low light, especially if you're trying to do a vlog and you start in the beginning of the day and you want to kind of carry it throughout the day. I think it also picks great up on light. So overall, this is light years. It's a 10 out of 10. I am absolutely loving the phone. I honestly think that this is a perfect phone for us that are starting very new on YouTube. It has amazing quality, and you can really do some creative things with all of the settings that are on the phone. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, leave a comment down below whether or not you would like to see a video about what's on my iPhone. I honestly love those videos so much, and I would love to make one for this channel. But let me know in the comments down below whether or not that would be something that you're interested in. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye!